Fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Yeah guys, so we're back on the Bueno. We left off at the other spot up top. As you guys seen before, I caught those 2 barrels. Yeah. Yeah, sure fishing.
Oh, that fish.
Really, fish them the panicle already. Jerry.
3 barra head that thing, guys. Look at that. 3 barra kill that. Outside guys. So we're at the beach guys. We're up on the beach. I roast up 2 fish. Over there we look at friend Jose. Barra there. Larry there. And Gio, I don't know what Gio done. Yeah, soon forward. But we're there up on the beach guys. We just finished doing Discovery Bay side. The water was a lot better over there because the river came down here. I called Gio from last night and he said the river is dirty and Jerry Ray. I moved on one next spot. So we just planned it different and moved down the line. Tried a spot that O'Dane gave us was nil.
Didn't get anything.
Nothing.
It was a bust.
It was a bust. So we end up moving to a different spot guys and end up picking up like crazy fish already.
Crazy.
Quick. So alright, we call it a day guys with that and then we're back on the beach and we're there. We look for friend Jose. From where you from, Jose? Where you come from? Alright. You hear the people name Hilltop. That's where this man you come from. Name Jose.
Get Gio.
Lord of mercy. Gio, put on Jose bicycle. Oh gosh man, oh you do Jose some man. Jose, boy take your ride son Jose. Jose, make them pay you when they take your bike here. Make sure they give you $100 each and then borrow your bike. So in case you flat a tire, you can buy back patch or something for your tire, though. Alright, good.
Caution.
Yeah man, your rental man. You charge them rental fee, Jose. When I make a man take your thing so.
Yeah man, any boy want to buy a bicycle man, $100.
Rental, pay up. Yeah. People phone out with a ring when I shoot one video, phone a ring people and Akeem from Jamaica Adventures call me people, see me people want to look on the camera, see me. I hear my call me one day for my adventure shoot my video and people. So, I want to show you say, man killed 3 barra today. No. Yeah man, you eat top one. Yes, man killed top one today. Like shit. Get on the line, guys. That was a love tap. Fishing here guys, big up yourself, welcome back to the channel. Round 2 roast fish. We do it here so guys. Now we have roast fish with barra over there, Bella there and Rowan there, I'm also Jose there, yeah man, Larry there and Barra Empress there. Yeah man, big up yourself, everybody there. We're on the Bueno guys. River come down place kind of dirty, so we have a 1 line set. We dip on one of the ends, we catch some fish and we come back on this end just so. You see my bag and everything there, so same way. So we just there as a roast up what we catch. I'm going to eat 2 fish and be 2 juice same way. Chill Sunday vibes. You don't know. We're out here guys. Big up on yourself, the weather just give you a break. Look on the cloud there, very pretty. Hey! You see the flat top on the cloud? Look on the cloud, the flat top, the little slope come off our cloud, no man, look up there for the man. You see it? One look a slope, like one mountain top. Flat. Well flat. Look here. Look at that people. Wicked. Only in Jamaica. You see that? Come on. Really? Outside people. Yeah man, we outside guys. Out on the Rio. They out here so. Rowan there so I'm gonna beat a 1 juice same way. Yeah man. Outside. Yeah man, on the Bueno. Jose there to start playing a song. Yeah man. Listen my people. I saw you say to my guys. Do it here son. You see how Jamaican kids grow up? Said we so we grew up as little boy and little girls. On the beach side, we're family and we enjoy with little nature and thing. You see it? But big up on yourself, guys. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel and watch the ads, guys. Out here. Yeah, guys. Try it, that man. Look at that. Was there? I mash up my shrimp them. I think they make the shrimp them TD. Okay. I'm gonna roast off all of my shrimps and dogs. I beat them dogs. I beat dogs. Yeah, guys. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Roast up the bar them, we'll just fish for a while. Want to see the thing? Oh, there. What you say? Fish bad? Proper, not your dog. Oh, there, mash up some fish, guys. What you say? Nice. Fresh fish, not you? Aye. Not like being a Jamaican, though. Aye, my youth. Yeah, man. This is it, guys. We're just here and we're just munching. Everybody's munching fish. Not warm. Some munch, guys. Fresh barra, none wasted, all eaten up. Yes, guys. What's that barra left out?
No, barra.
Where is it? Buồn nữa hoàn đi. People said you and Jamaican shore fishing apart, don't? I and Jamaican shore fishing.
They never lie. Yeah, move like this.
Fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Fish on! Fish on, guys. I just got a hit. Fish on. Oh! Fish on, guys. Fish on, guys. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Fish on, guys. Fish on, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Jackfish, guys. They feel like jack. He's running sideways. Jack, yeah, he's running sideways. Jamaican shore fishing, guys. He's coming around. He's running back down the beach, guys. Let's get him. Woo! Jamaican shore fishing. That is it, Jamaican shore fishing. Look at that. That's it, guys. A good 3-pound snap, a good 3-pound jack. Yeah, guys, that's what's up. Straight a yard. Sure. That is it, guys. As me go so and bite the fish, look right, me hear the line go off, you know. And I say, wash him off, dear, wash him off. Yeah. Yeah, guys, watch the line, watch the line. Okay, I set back the line now. I set back the line in the dogs. I set back the line in the dogs. him out first. Here, Gio, cutting gill and make him bleed out. Here, guys. Look at the size, Jack. Holy smoke. Just cutting gill. Yeah. I'm cutting real far and bleed out. Jackfish tastes good after you bleed them out. You understand?
Sure, it's true. Friendly, spread them outside. And come take it.
I said, Gio, I know so one of them don't touch you, I know I'm not Gio because they feed them water this, you know, man. I feed them water this, brother, I tell you that already. At this they love the dirty water because the stuff washed down from the river and I feed them from the crustaceans. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, guys. Let's climb back real quick, guys. Yeah. Yeah, guys, just caught that jack a while ago, set back the line a while ago. He was cleaning that fish up. Big ass jackfish, guys. Oh, look at the side. Gio, turn around, let me see that jack. Pull that jack up, bro. Holy smoke, guys, look at the size of that. Woohoo! Look at the size of that jack, guys. That's what's up. Yeah, guys. Yeah, man. Outside, guys, I had one line set. I said, let me set one line. And I was sitting over here drinking my Pepsi, guys. And the line just went off and just took off. Hey, Gio's face, boy. Gio's like, yeah! Killer! Come on, guys, that's it. We're here, guys. Rio Bueno Beach, Trelawny. It's been a long day. Gio's here. He's getting tired and hungry. He wants to go home. I'm not going to keep him any longer because I keep on wanting to set this line after I caught that jackfish. Gio wants to go home. Well, pick up yourself, guys. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We're out here on the beach. We're out here, Gio.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yes, guys, so we're outside. We have the one line we have set over here because we were over here cooking up some fish and we just come back from killing some fish down the line and reach back this side and then end up killing a bigger fish. Alright, Jamaican shore fishing, bless up yourself. Thank you for joining us. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch your ads, guys. We're here, we are Rio Bueno and we just finished up our day. Barrow, Gio, Larry, and Jose. You know what I'm saying? So we're there, so. And
Jamaica shore fishing, guys. We are out here.
That's what's up.
We are out here.
Big up yourself.